Hi everyone, I, Harshit Gupta, going to represent my final year project along with my team members Sangam Mittal and Mayank Rawat under the supervision of Mr. Avdesh Kumar Tiwari, Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering, ABES Institute of Technology. Our project ID is 21 and our project title is Voice Chat Web App. Here are some contents of our presentation. In the modern world and fast development of the internet, the connection among people is being very significant than ever. People are looking for new methods to do advanced communication between them without any issue. Real-time communication is one of these ways. Our project Voice Chat web app allows users for a real-time communication and to come across a single place through which users can join different rooms on the basis of their interest, can interact with others, and also they are allowed to create their own rooms. Here are some literature surveys of previous researches done by some famous researchers. The methodologies used in these researches are HTML, Node.js, WebRTC, MongoDB, Socket.io, and some JavaScript APIs. The results of these researches shows that the system will be fully stable, functional, safe, and can use in a practical network to transmit and receive multimedia data in real time between users. These technologies also gives assurance for efficient and relevant peer-to-peer real-time communication with a solution that represents a voice and video message. The test results shows that this system could be excellently applied to practical work environment and the system is safe, efficient and easy to maintain and can be extended as per the convenience. Here are some more researches done by some researchers and their results. Our objective is to create a web peer-to-peer real-time communication system that allows users to communicate with high-speed data transmission over the communication channel using WebRTC technology, that is web real-time communication, without the need to install any plugins or third-party software or apps. WebRTC technology gives the assurance to the users that the third-party apps and plugins will be minimized when surfing. This is a WebRTC protocol stack which is comprised of some layers and some protocols or servers. The first layer is network layer and the second is transport layer. Third is session layer along with some protocols and servers, that is turn and turn server, which are widely used for the efficient use of WebRTC technology. This is an architecture of a WebRTC session establishment. Firstly, the system takes the media from the local machine and add it to the RTC peer connection. When the connection is set up, the media and data is attached to the connection with the add stream function. After that, the browser closes the connection when the communication is done. Some technologies which are used in our project are HTML, CSS, Node.js, React.js, MongoDB, Express.js, Socket.io, WebRTC. Here is our project overview. Firstly, the user verifies itself with OTP verification and then they are allowed to create a room as per the topic which they want. Thirdly, the rooms were created and the user have an option to join any room or create a room. The use of WebRTC technology enabled the implementation of secure and high data transmission between users as peer-to-peer or peer-to-group connection in real-time communication. Therefore, user can create their own space for real-time communication environment as audio conferencing using WebRTC technology, allowing us to create a web page with the most powerful features allowing each user to connect to another via audio call by using simple JavaScript APIs and Node.js. Here are some references taken from some previous researches.
So coming to our project, this is the interface of our web app. User first come to this page and click on the start button. Now after clicking the start button, the user have to register himself. For example, here we will enter our phone number with the country code and click on next button. Now there will be an OTP which has been texted on your phone on or the registered mobile number. Now entering the OTP and click on the next button. Now here the user will enter their full name which has to be appear in his profile. On the next page, the user will choose an avatar or a profile pic for their profile. After selecting the profile pic, the user will click on next button. After clicking the next, the user will have the two choices. Either they can join already created room or they can have the choice for create a room. So here we have started this application new. So we will create a room first and we will click on this button which is shown, and here we will type the topic which has to be discussed. Like here we will enter Mun stack is future and we'll click on the let's go button. After clicking the let's go button, it will create an room in which multiple users can join this topic, or the user will have the option to leave quietly the room after the discussion, which is shown here, leave quietly, and the user will come out of the room. This is the public page where user will have the advantage of seeing all the rooms which has been already created. So when the user is registered, all the information is stored in the database. For the database purpose, we have used MongoDB. Here we have created three collections. First collection in which there is the information of the room. Second collection in which there is the information of the tokens which are generated, and third which has the information of the users registered. So when we choose first collection of rooms, here we see that this is the identity of the room. Now after clicking second option, that is tokens, these are the tokens which are temporarily generated for the purpose. And the third is users. The users registered successfully are stored in this collection. So this is all about our project. Thank you.